We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Honda Africa Twin. This is one of the automatic models. Comes in matte black and has the gold detailing. Spoked wheels. This one does have ABS as well. So you can see no gear shift lever. All you have to do is throttle. Instead of a clutch, we have a parking brake. Comes with a top case. Really nice for traveling. This is also the 1000. Alright, so really easy to turn it on. Just flip the key. Start her up. So right now it does say that we are in neutral. You disengage the parking brake, press this button, that puts it in gear, and you twist the throttle and you're ready to ride. That's all it takes. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides.